Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Hey guys. Happy hiking Saturday.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Copy.
We are Brian and Marisa, an adventurous married couple who love all things outdoors and exploring new places. You can most likely find us out on the hiking trails, camping off-grid with a beer in our hands, or on an airplane headed to destinations unknown. We hope our videos bring you a piece of adventure into your lives. Now sit back and enjoy the ride as we take you on our PNW adventures.
I needed it.
Yep. Awesome. Made it. Look at the size of that thing. Yeah.
All the way down.
That's it. That's it.
And done.
Good job.
Good job, Amy.
Thanks
Thanks for joining us on our PNW Adventures.
Peace.
Thanks for joining us on today's adventure. Thanks for joining us on our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Deuce. Thank you for joining us on our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video
Thanks for joining us.
on our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Let's go get some beers.